This video was brought to you by DecoNetwork. DecoNetwork software is designed for the apparel decoration industry to keep staff and equipment running smoothly. Learn more at DecoNetwork.com. Your business is only as successful as the employees that work there. As a business owner or manager, keeping employees motivated and engaged should be fairly high on your list of priorities. Employees are the heartbeat of any business, and if they're not motivated to work, your business will suffer. Do you have employees in dire need of motivation? Are you worried your employees are just going through the motions on a day-to-day basis? Are you just curious as to what you can do to change things up from time to time? If so, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 tips DecoNetwork has provided to help get your employees motivated and putting their best foot forward at all times. Imagine how much easier it would be to motivate your employees to do good work if you were spending the time to create a good work environment. You never want your employees to feel uncomfortable while they're at work. You want to create an environment based on respect, positivity, and trust. Your employees want to feel respected, be surrounded by positive energy, and be trusted to do their job successfully. You as a manager should always be looking for new ways to improve your company's work environment. Allow your employees to personalize their workspace, partake in team building activities, and have the occasional team lunch. These are all ways to keep the work environment fresh and enjoyable, and ultimately leads to more production for all parties involved. This goes for every kind of feedback, both positive and negative. You want your employees to know that you're paying attention to what they're doing, and when the time comes, they can expect some feedback. If your employees aren't receiving some sort of feedback on a regular basis, oftentimes they won't truly know how good of a job they're doing. You don't want your employees wondering whether or not they're producing quality work. Keeping your employees up to date on how they're performing at their job will show them that you care about both the business and what they bring to the table as an employee. It's fairly safe to say that employees don't like being micromanaged. Do you want to get on an employee's bad side? Start micromanaging them. It's an easy way to lose a good employee, and your business culture will suffer. If you want to keep your employees motivated and producing at a high level, a healthy amount of autonomy is needed in the workspace. Giving your employees autonomy builds a self-sufficient employee. As a manager, let your employees manage their own tasks and offer your help when needed. Your employees will feel much more comfortable and motivated this way. If you're a manager, ask yourself, am I a good manager? You might think you're a good manager, but do your employees think you are? I'm sure everyone has worked for a bad manager at some point in their career. How did that affect you as an employee? I'm sure not very good. Imagine how hard it would be to keep your employees motivated if they know they had to go to work every day and put up with a subpar manager. If you can visibly see that your employees aren't motivated, it can only amplify the things they don't like about you. One of the best ways a manager can win over their employees is to lead by example. If they see you working hard on a daily basis and putting in the max effort, that can be a big motivator. Another great tip to becoming a great manager is to get to know the people working for you. Take the time out of your day to say hello to all your employees. Ask them how their day is going, and always offer any assistance they might need. You as a company should always be looking to reward and celebrate success. That goes for both company-wide success and individual success. The celebrations can be as simple as a lunch party one week. You as a manager or business owner can decide how you want to celebrate success. The objective is to give your employees some type of incentive or goal to work towards. There isn't an employee out there that wouldn't appreciate a pat on the back every so often for the good work they produce. Be creative in the way your business celebrates achievements, and you will be well on your way to keeping employees happy and motivated.